Today we will solve Geeks or Geeks problem difficulty level school. So today's problem is sum of odd and even elements. So now we see this question. So given an integer, find the sum of odd numbers and even number from 1 to n. So here we just have need. Now see first example, n equals to 5. So the sum of even number is 9 and odd number. Sum of odd number is 9 and even number is 6. Now see second example, n equals to 6. So sum of odd number is 9 and even number is 12. Now we write the code for this problem. So first we will make two variable, int even sum equals to 0, comma odd sum equals to 0. Now we use for loop for calculating even or odd sum. I equals to 1, which is given in question. I less than equals to ni plus plus. Now we check when I is even. So for even we use modulo operator. I modulo 2 equals to 0. If I is even, then we will calculate the even sum. So even sum equals to even sum plus I. Otherwise we will find odd sum. So odd sum plus equals to I at the end. So we just have need return type array, integer array. So here we will make an integer array of two sides, int answer equals to new int of size 2. So now we will store the answer 0 at even sum at 0th position. Even sum. Now we answer dot first position odd sum. Odd sum. Now at the end we will return answer array. So now compile and done. So there is some error. We just have need first we will should to return the odd sum. So odd sum. Here we will should to store the even sum. So now again compile and run. So the code is successfully compiled and run. Now check all test cases. So submit this code. All test cases are successfully passed. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Thank you.